Amidst the whispering symphony of nature, where crystal clear waters cascade like silver threads from the heavens, lies a heaven that enchants the soul and mesmerizes the eyes. A true masterpiece sculpted by time, nature, and the divine hands. Welcome to the dream destination, nestled in the verdant embrace of Northeast India, in the enchanting state of Mizoram. Here, the air carries tales of untouched beauty, inviting you to embark on an unforgettable journey. Hello friends, today we are on a quest to Tuirihiau Falls. This mesmerizing waterfall graces the western foothills of the Lushai Hills, surrounded by dense subtropical evergreen forests, offering a perfect blend of serenity and adventure. The area is a treasure trove of vibrant flora and fauna, from rare orchids to melodious bird species. Thankfully, it's relatively safe with minimal threats from wild animals or reptiles. However, steep terrain and slippery rocks call for cautious exploration. As you soak in the magic of this Tuirihiau Falls paradise, let's pledge to keep it clean, tidy and pristine. Carry back all waste, avoid single-use plastics and respect the harmony of this kind of natural wonders and keep it safe for the generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey. May your days be filled with health, wealth, serenity, and peace. Stay tuned to jcmedia for more breathtaking explorations. Dhanyavad and sayonara.